I'm Simone McCray, Executive Director of Vision Services Group. We currently serve at-risk youth. We provide group mentoring, enrichment group mentoring services to the children. We provide life skills, training, anger management, coping skills, anything that the youth need to survive and be productive citizens in society. We also are looking to expand to the geriatric population to provide counseling in the skilled nursing facilities, as well as adult care facilities, to provide them bereavement counseling, support, anything they may need to help them with their transition from their home to the facility that they're living in. We do what we do because I have a passion for people. God gave me a vision back in 2003 to provide services for people, in a nutshell, that's missed a gap in services or programming that currently are not being met. And that's what we do and why we do.